This is the second video in a sequence of videos I am bringing out on TP-Linked hardware. This is the Smart Hub. I've already released one video, which is the LED strips. Look, baby behind me, turn it on, that baby there. And very pleased with it, no issues with it whatsoever, easy to set up. If you're interested in watching that video, check out the link in the video description, or wait to the end of this video and I'll stick another link at the end of this video for you to click on. Yeah, no issues with it whatsoever. I'll show you how to set up the Tapo. I don't show you how to register, but I'll go to show you how to connect the LED strip to the Tapo app. You will need the Tapo app for that one. You will need the Tapo app for this one, and for the other two products that I'm going to be releasing in the very near future. So with that, so quick look around the box. So Tapo Smart Hub with Chime. So you can use this on your TP-Link doorbell. Yes, it works on the doorbell and plays tunes. You can also use this on your TP-Link security devices. This can do up to 64 different devices, or connect up to 64 devices, and it has 19 different tunes, or 19 ring tunes. Some sound like alarms and some sound like doorbells. Yeah? So it should be quite fun and entertaining, not just, for security reasons and, letting you know there's someone at the door. It should have a nice bit of, hopefully some nice little ringtones. So smart alarm, smart doorbell, like I said earlier, 19 ringtone options and up to 64 devices. So with that, let's get it out of the box, shall we? So we have instructions. I'm not going to read the instructions, but you should do. So we have instructions and we have the actual device itself. We have a speaker on the back of it. It's a 3-pin plug because we're in the UK, and a sync button on the side. Now then, from what I understand, if you hold the sync button down for 5 seconds, it will reset the Wi-Fi. If you hold it down for more than 10 seconds, it will set it back to factory defaults. So I've already done it because I needed to test it, so I can give you a better experience. Does that make sense? Yeah? And there is a small light that will flash. I believe it's orange and blue, or orange and green, I can't remember now, to tell you it's trying to connect. So with that, I'll get a plug, we'll plug it in and set her up, and I'll show you how easy it is to set up. Right, ready? So plug her in. Right, so that's plugged in. We have a blue light at the moment. Give it a few seconds and it goes blue and orange. So it's blue and orange. Make sure it's flashing. If it's not, like I said, hold the button in for 5 seconds and release, and it should start flashing. Or you might need to do a factory reset, which is 10 seconds. Now we need to add it. So press on the plus button on your Tapo app, and you want hub. And we are the Tapo H100, which is that baby up there. Click on that. Already orange and blue. Yeah. Click on that. I will blur some of my bits out because I don't want you to see my login details. Alright, so after this bit. So we want the Tapo Hub F967, that's this baby here. Click on that, give it a few seconds for it to find it. And come on. And it's found it. There it goes. Job done. A few seconds. Easy, yeah? Searching for Wi-Fi. Now then, the Wi-Fi is your network. You will need to put that in so you can connect to the internet and blah, blah, blah. Job done. So once you've done that, put in your network name and your password. Click on next. It will ask you to verify basically. Click on next. And give it a few seconds. It does take a little bit of time on this bit, or a bit longer than the other bit, but be patient.
A few moments later.
Right, that was easy enough, wasn't it? Now then, you have the option to change the name of it, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm quite happy to call it a Smart Hub, because then I know what it is. So it's Smart Hub. Next, select where you're going to put it. I'm going to leave it in Yorkie's room, because that's this one here, and I want it in here. So click on next, but you can change it. Okay, but just letting you know. And you can change the icon. Again, I'm going to leave it alone because that matches that. Why would you change it? But again, you know, you might want to, because you might have it set up as a security thing. So you might want a security light. Click on next, and almost done. Check firmware. Now I know this has been updated because I updated it already. Right, congratulations, you updated it. I would highly recommend that you update the firmware, because if they found there might be an issue with security, they might have sorted that security out and you might need to do the update. Something to bear in mind. So I recommend you do it. Right, sounds good to me. Firmware update, got it. Now then, that is done. So these are some of the devices you can connect to, but we're going to do that at a later stage because I haven't done a review on them yet, but I will be in another day sort of thing. So click on later, and voila, we're done. So now I add the smart light strip and the smart hub. So let's open them up. Now then, if you want to play some of the tunes or test them out and choose which tune you want, here's your list. Like I said, it should be 9. It said 19, didn't it? I can see 5, 10, that's 15, that's 17. So it did say 19, but I can see 17. There might be some that they've done away with, I don't know. So up here on the volume you have a low, normal or high. I'm going to stick it on normal for now. Alarm 1. So alarm 1. I'm not going to go through them all. I'm just going to select a few of them. Try that one. Let's try number 5. I quite like that one. It's definitely an alarm, that one, isn't it? So I'm going to save that one because I like that one. But let's have a quick listen to some of the others. Bit boring. Oh, that's a Christmas one. Doorbell. Quite is loud, isn't it? And that's on normal. Turn that down low. Even that's loud. Now then, I've been playing about this one. Like I said earlier, you know, I've already updated the firmware, so that means I like to test it first, make sure it's working. And I said to my wife, can you hear that dripping tap? There's a dripping tap. I thought that was really good. I found that quite amusing. And she said, that's on your computer. I went, no, I ain't turned the volume off. I said, look. She goes, no, you're winding me up. Yeah, I was, wasn't I? She didn't fall for it. Yeah, like it. See, easy to set up, and it's ready to go already. Ready to go already. Now then, explore smart actions. Connected devices should be empty. Connected devices. I haven't connected them. I haven't got them. But they're saying, you know, you can connect them. Right, it's saying, see what I mean? It's saying you can connect them. I haven't got them. Not yet anyway. And explore smart actions. I'm going to quickly show you this. So we have build a smart alarm when you are away from home. Yeah, so you can set something like that. Build a smart alarm when you're asleep. Build smart doorbell, and build I need help button. Help. These are some of the scenarios you can set up, which I thought was quite cool actually. I'm not going to set them up yet because, like I said, I've got no other devices connected to it yet. That's in a future video, so check that out. Like I said earlier, consider subscribing. And also click on the bell to get notified for when I go live or when I upload my videos. So with that, what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. I like it. I'm setting everything up and I'm keeping everything. I'm not, giving it away. I'm not selling it. I'm keeping it for myself. I'm going to be connecting things to my doors, windows, and using them. Like the LED strip. Let's go back. Look, let me quickly show you the LED strip. This baby here. Yeah. And, a great little gadget. Change the colours, do all sorts of different things, have a bit of fun with it. You know, can do haunted house or haunted mansion, that one's called. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. You know, it would be interesting to find out if you're thinking about buying one of these or if you've already got it. I will stick links in the video description like I said, in case you want to go and check them out or purchase them. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.